Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a flashing D light on a Honda Fit. First, understand this light signals a transmission problem. Begin by checking your transmission fluid level and its condition. Low or dirty fluid is a common cause. Next, use an OBD-ROMAN2 scanner to pull any diagnostic trouble codes. These codes provide crucial clues about the specific issue, guiding your next steps effectively. Often, the problem stems from low or contaminated transmission fluid, so ensure it's at the correct level and clean. Another common cause is a faulty transmission range switch, which tells the car what gear it's in. Additionally, issues with the vehicle's speed sensors can sometimes trigger the flashing D light, requiring replacement. If basic checks don't resolve the issue, you might be facing more advanced problems. Internal transmission issues, such as worn clutches or gears, require a professional mechanic's expertise. Faulty transmission solenoids can also cause shifting difficulties and trigger the light. Sometimes, damaged wiring harnesses interrupt sensor signals, necessitating careful inspection and repair. To prevent future issues, regular transmission fluid changes are absolutely essential for your Honda Fit's longevity. Always use the specific Honda-approved transmission fluid to ensure proper operation and protect your vehicle's components. Proactive maintenance can save you from costly repairs down the road. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.